Today we're going to be discussing different cabinetry styles, construction options, and trends we're seeing today. For door styles, we have shaker cabinets, which is a more timeless and minimalist look, very clean lines. There's also slab door styles that are very sleek, a little more contemporary style. So this is another example of a slab door style, but in a Euro style. So frameless box and a high gloss thermofoil finish. Then we have traditional raised panel style doors and have a raised center panel, so a little more decorative. There's also profiled shaker doors that have just a little bit more detailing to them versus a traditional shaker, but still a recessed panel. If interested in using glass cabinet door fronts, shaker style doors, raised panel doors, and profiled shaker doors definitely lends itself to that application. And then you can get more with a rustic farmhouse distress type of look that has some wormholing, different rustic features. It could be a rustic wood species even. Our most popular door styles right now, we are seeing definitely shakers still strong in the marketplace, as well as more of a profiled shaker, so it just gives a little bit extra detail and interest to it. And we're starting to see a trickle of raised panel cabinets come back. So a little bit of a cleaner raised panel style door, but still that traditional feel coming through. So there's a few different types of construction. This one particularly here is framed cabinetry. So the doors and drawer fronts sit on top of a face frame, as you can see here. This is another version of a framed cabinet box. This is what we call inset, so the doors sit flush with the frame of the cabinet, as you see here. Our other type of construction here is frameless construction. Some people call it Euro style as well. So you have very minimal gaps in between doors and drawer fronts for a more minimal and clean flush appearance. So we have several different types of wood species to choose from with cabinetry. We have anything from a quarter sawn white oak, and this is in a stain finish, to an MDF door that's painted, or a paint grade maple door that's also painted here. Or we have something more with a rich warm tones like a cherry wood species. We have also seen stain cabinetry becoming more popular, the warm colors. Some with more texture as well, whether we have a rustic variety like a rustic alder, or something with just rich grain like a hickory. We're also seeing a lot of maple wood cabinetry as well. As you can see, there are several different door styles and finish options and wood species to choose from to complement your space and make it your own.